Hello, and welcome to this presentation on the user programming features of the Roboteq motor controllers. One of our controller's most powerful features is the ability for you to write programs that are permanently saved into and run from the controller's flash memory. This capability is the equivalent of combining the motor controller functionality and that of a PLC or single board computer into a single unit. In this demonstration, we will show you how easy it is to write, download, and execute a simple program that monitors the battery voltage and activates a digital output when the battery drops below a given threshold. MicroBasic programs are written inside the RoboRun Plus PC utility that comes with your controller. Click on the Scripting tab to open the editor window. The first thing our program needs is to read the battery voltage into a variable by typing battery equals getValue, open parentheses, underscore volts, comma, 2, close parentheses. Notice how the colors of getValue and volts have changed to indicate that they are recognized valid keywords by the editor. Here, battery is an arbitrary name for the variable. GetValue is a general command for reading any of the many operating parameters captured by the controller during its operation. Underscore volts is the parameter we want to read, and 2 is for selecting the battery voltage. The complete list of available commands and parameters can be found in the online help and in the user manual. We then type our test. Since voltage is reported in tenths of volts, we will write, if battery is less than 150, then set command underscore dset, comma 1. Here, set command is a general MicroBasic command for sending all available commands to the motors or to the digital outputs. Underscore dset stands for set digital output. 1 selects the output 1 on the controller's I/O connector. So here, when our battery voltage drops below 15 volts, the output is activated. The following statements, else, set command underscore dres, comma 1, will turn off the output when the battery voltage is equal to or higher than 15 volts. Underscore dres stands for reset digital output. This will turn off the output when the battery voltage is equal or higher than 15 volts. End-if terminates our test. We now want this test to be performed continuously, so we will add a go-to-top and a top label at the beginning of our program. The colon at the end of the word sets it as a label. We are done. We can now download our code to the controller with the Download to Device button. The code is ready to run. To execute the program, we click on the Run tab, and we click to run. Looking at the hardware, we have a controller powered with a 30-volt power supply. We can see that an LED connected to digital output 1 is off. We now lower the supply voltage. As we cross below 15 volts, we see our LED turning on. Let's move the voltage higher now. We see that the LED turns off again when the voltage returns above 15 volts. Let's move again. Below, above, below. Now that we have verified that our program works, we can configure the controller to automatically run the script every time the controller is started. This is done from the Configuration tab by enabling the Script Auto Start in the Startup menu. Let's save this change to the controller and activate the change. If we now disconnect the controller from the PC and restart it, we can see the LED turning on and off as we move the power supply voltage under and above 15 volts. What we saw here is an extremely simple program. MicroBasic programs can be up to 1,000 lines long and contain up to 1,000 user variables. Execution speed is very fast at over 50,000 lines per second. With this kind of power and flexibility, your imagination is now the only limit to what you can do with your Roboteq controller. Please visit our website at www.roboteq.com for more information. Thank you for your attention.